Okay, we just got back from an incredible tea house. It's called the Boulder
Dushanbe.
It's called the Boulder Dushanbe Tea House. It celebrates Dushanbe, which is the sister city of Boulder, Colorado. And Dushanbe is in Tajikistan, which is right next to Kazakhstan, correct? It borders it? Excited for tea?
Excited for tea and try samsa.
Yeah.
What else? Hummus. I'm sure it's gonna be good.
So just absolutely phenomenal. Hands down, my favorite tea house I've ever been to. If you live near Boulder and you haven't been there yet, what are you waiting for? And if you are ever passing through the Boulder area, you have to stop here. It's incredible.